na mtasmile vile mnasmile tena. Yes, sasa. There's an interview here.
Things that you I'm telling you.
There's an interview here. As we go through this, the awareness is not where it should be, that help is available and that you can get surgery and eradicate these issues. We also have issues of maybe stigma around how the women are received in their homes. So in partnership with our communication partners, the Royal Media Services, we're able to talk a little bit more about this condition.
Stigma has been one of the situations that most women with such condition face, and we are so grateful for the partners.
One of the core values of Safaricom is basically to transform lives. So M-Pesa Foundation has been partnering with other partners and with AMREF, and just to bring the smile back to our mothers within the